Hi friends, this is Chandrakant Kantigami from Foresight Architects, Bangalore. All the windows and then aluminum UPVC windows. Also they have come up with lovely kitchens and then the wardrobes.
Hi, I'm Fiza Shuaraf, architect and designer, interior designer from the First Studio. So they are into various products from the windows, door systems and the kitchens as well. And it would be great to come here along with our clients to make them understand and to get a feel of the space.
So definitely this is a lookout for all the designers. Please visit Aparna Unispace at Indiranagar. Thank you.